See, once he restarted, what may happen in the sense, very simple, public IP will change. Public IP, public IP will change. What was the problem if public IP will change? Again, I need to intimate to whom? These three people. Is it good idea, bad idea? Please respond. Bad. See here, three are there, very good. Always I can inform. Maybe 1 million people are there. Can I inform to 1 million people? Is it good idea? Yes. No. At that time, you may ask me, what is the remedy? What is the remedy? Here, always I am giving public IP. Which IP I want to provide? Not general public IP. I want to give static public IP. Which IP I want to provide? Static public IP. You know the meaning of static. Static means fixed public IP. Fixed public IP. Is it okay for you? Theoretically understood or not? Please respond. Yes, sir. Quickly, shall I go to implement that concept? Yes. Oh, I am going to implement. I think I'm audible, right? I'm not getting any response. Yes, sir. Yes. Good, good. Now see, in front of you, I'm creating one instance. In front of you, I'm creating one instance. Yes, I'm creating. You may know how to launch. Launch EC2 instance. Launch EC2 instance. There EC2. Simply I'm taking their default options. Don't think about these things. We'll discuss. There, what is our intention? Maybe you want it this to SSH, HTTPS, HTTP. Today morning we discussed these three things, right? Clearly we discussed it. Now simply, I think am I created key? Till now not yet, right? Key. Where is the key concept? Key concept, there key. Create a new key. What is the key name? I am going to give EC2. The key name is EC2. Good, create key. Remaining things leave it, launch instance. What may happen? Once it is completed, I am going to instance. It may take 1 minute for up and running. Now click on here. First check it. Are you able to see public IP? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Private IP. Which is fixed, which is dynamic? Public IP is dynamic, private IP is static. Our requirement is static only. Static. Now quickly what I may do, going to again instances, quickly I am stop and start. How can I stop, you know, right? Stop instance. Stop. See here, there is no power. Maybe I am feeling maybe I may get power at 610 or 620. That's why I started our class. If not getting power, automatically it may shut down. No worries. Once we got the power, again I will intimate to you. Maybe you may wait up to. Maybe you may get the power. Anyway, uh, we are forecasting. We may get the power. Anyway, it is stopping, right? Once you check it, after stopping, I am going to restart. We must start. Now we are moving to restart. You need to check going to instance state. Yes, start already there, right? You can start it, no problem. Oh, it is still not yet finished properly. Now you may get successfully start instance. Now check it. See, previous, have you seen the IP address? See, please remember 159.10. This is the previous IP. Now I am going to click on. Is it changed or not? Please respond, anyone. Changes. Which is changed? Public IP. Public IP. Which is not changed, even though you restarted. Private.
Private.
You may ask me. See, in real time, we never use public IP. Even that too, you need to remember. We never use public IP because of there we may use VPN. VPN can interact with your private IP. VPN, virtual private network, VPN. Never interact with public IP. It can interact with private IP. Is it okay for you? Okay, we'll think on that in future classes. Now, see, this one I want to fix it. This one I want to fix it. How can I fix? Again, I messed up. Again, I messed up. I need to see same IP. Even if you stop and start also, I want to see single IP. Single IP. For that, please observe. I'm going to which area? Please observe, guide me. Elastic IP. Click on Elastic IP. See Amazon's pool of IP for Atlas. Now this is the interview question. For one region, we are working with regions or availability zones. Anyone respond? See,
Region.
region contain availability zones. See, one
Yes, sir.
region is nothing but one house. Availability zones in the sense rooms. Got it? Good. Now
Yes, sir.
quickly US East one. There I am not touching anything. Click on allocate. See, elastic IP is created within seconds. Check it. There you may see here. See here, try to remember. Once you create an elastic IP, this is chargeable. When it is chargeable, if you don't allocate. If you allocate, no charge. Is it okay for you? Good. Now what to do? Select this, allocate elastic IP address or actions, or simply you can click. See, associate elastic IP or simply allocate. Oh, one more, it is expecting, right? Yes. No. Is there any? No. Simply, I want to associate. Click on actions. Am I selected? Deselected. That is the problem here. After selection, what will you do? Please observe. There, associate elastic IP address. To whom I want to associate? Everybody know, right? For EC to instance only. That is the general thing. See, choose an instance which is running. That one I choose. After here, see private IP address. Here, see only one private IP is there. Now, good to go. Click on next. See from here after what happening. I am going to instances directly. See here. You may able to check. This is fixed, right? I told, right? Yes. Even you may click on here. You may see at little bottom. You may see somewhere elastic IP. Somewhere you may see static IP or elastic IP. Are you able to see that word here? Where is that? Elastic IP address. Where is the word? Yeah, see. Right. Are you able to see everybody elastic IP address? See, now IP also got changed, right? Everybody
Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah. Now someone is trying to join. Someone who is very good evening, man. Good. Now, whenever I allocated our elastic IP, quickly what I am doing, observe everybody. I am going to restart my EC2 instance. Not restarting, stop and stop. Stop. Again, this is the interview question. Once you restart your EC2 instance, public IP will change or not? Public IP will not change. Once you stop and start, public IP will change. What about elastic IP? Even if you do restart, no problem. Even if you stop and start, no problem. Which is the good idea? Elastic IP is the good idea. Is it okay for you? Good. I am stopping. See these IPs, see some servers having web applications. At that time, this public IP is needed. Everybody know one web server is there, web application is there. If you want to access web application, then I can give public IP. But industry standard, we never provide public IP to end users. You may ask, What shall I do? Maybe move on to that class only. But I may do that one. One realistic scenario, you may see it.
Yes, stop us.
Yeah, stop. What I may do?
Again.
Please start it. Please remember, there see, is it changed or not? Not changed. Even after starting also, you may see 68.27 only. 68.27. Now, we are in the which concept? Their security group, little bit you understood. We need to know. Today also many things. Elastic IP, where? Elastic IP, where? See, this one you know already key page. Key page you know, right? Yes. Now I want to go with the network interface. Network interface. Now this is the theoretical concept. I'll explain. Don't worry. Placement groups. Placement groups. We'll discuss that also. Now anyone can please respond. Is it changing? Once you stop and start. Once you stop and start, it is not changing. Now quickly go to networking interface. When do we use networking interface concept? I'll give little theory. Windows key or MS Paint. MS Paint. See, this is your cloud. You know it. This is your cloud. In this, you are having created one EC2 instance. Now quick response. This EC2 is having, according to our scenario, one elastic IP. Or agree with me? EIP. One another, which IP? Private IP. Private IP. You may require one more private IP. One another private IP. One another private IP. Then only you can go for which concept? Which concept? That's it. This is the network interfaces. Every instance by default having one network interface. Shall I click on here? See, you may able to see one network interface at least. Because of how many instances are started now? One instant. That's why one networking interface. That is the ENI.
Yes.
Is it okay for you?
Yes.
This is the elastic networking interface. Elastic networking interface. You may ask me, I want to attach one more. Create network interface. Then I'm giving the network interface name and description. Description maybe ENI for EC2. Like that I am giving. Their subnet default it may take it. I am not touching subnet. It may taken care. No problem. Or else you may check it. Which subnet our EC2 instance got created. Quick observation. There go and check it. Where it is created. Our EC2. Observe and tell me. Going to instances. Going to instances. You want it, you can create anywhere, no problem. But for easy understanding, see, check it and tell me. US East 1B. US East 1B. You may create in other region, other availability zones also. Network interface. Create. I may go and create. I'm giving ENI for EC2. EC2. Now 1B, right?
Yes.
Where is 1B? Are you able to see?
Down.
1B is there. US East 1B. Good. Now ENA, then interface type, auto scaling, leave it. Default options, leave it. Now one security group is needed. Say I'm taking our launch wizard only, right? Our security group. It requires one security group. Now click on create network interface. Create. See this network interface, which one is created now? Above one or lower one? There also you can able to check it just now. See description, based on the description, I can able to identify, right?
Yes.
Below one is the latest one. Below one is the latest one. Select it and click on actions. There associate. Is there any area? Attach. Attach. For whom? Default VPC. We are taking default VPC only.
Yes.
Choose instance. See, our instance is EC2. Remaining things are very common. Click on attach. Click on attach. There one big story is there. Why you need to go with multiple? multiple private IPs. Actually, that is not our requirement. I may give little story, then I can move on. Now click on instances. There you may see, are you able to see more than one? Just refresh it. Just refresh it. You may check it. Are you understanding? Suppose Hemant may ask me, in reality, in real time, why we need two private IPv4 addresses? I said maybe 5 minutes before. In real time, we will work with private IPs or public IPs? Private
Private.
IPs only. Private IPs only. Unfortunately, maybe you want to save the amount. Maybe here what you may do, here NGNX is that, try to understand. Here NGNX application is running. According to real time talking, NGINX is there. NGINX. And also here same you are having one maybe Jenkins server is running. Possible or not possible? In
Yes.
one EC2, can I deploy, can I install two different server? Is it possible or not possible? Quick response. 100% possible. But
Positive.
100% possible. But this is not the best practice. This is not the best practice. Best practice is what?
One is
See, according to best practice, one Rama, one Sita. I hope I am not going beyond. Everybody understood, right?
yes.
That is the good idea. Okay, in the same way, unfortunately, what I did, I installed Nginx and also what is that? What is that? This Jenkins. Jenkins. See, I may attach one IP for one private IP for Nginx according to real-time standards. One IP for this maybe either may Tomcat or maybe Jenkins. Like that, n number of apps are running, n number of private IPs I can configure to each application or each web server. Hemant got it? If you enter into real-time servers, same procedure they may follow. Is it okay for
Yes. Got it.
good?
Yes.
Now, good. And now this is also clear. Anyway, maybe in the order, right? We are going to see this one. Which one? Placement groups. Shall I click on here? Placement groups. Click placement groups. See, create placement group. Name I am giving. Maybe my placement, my placement group. Choose a strategy that is important. You want to work with cluster concept, you want to work with the spread concept, you want to work with partition concept. This one I need to explain minimum 5 minutes. Shall I go for that?
Yes.
When do we go for cluster? When do we go for spread? When do we go for partition? I'll try to understand. Again, I'm taking control here. This is again AWS cloud. Now we are going to work with cluster concepts. See, I'm creating one cluster here. This is the cluster. This is the cluster. See, you want to take multiple instances. Assume I'm having I'm having 7 instances. Assume 7 instances I want to create. Each instance I'm going to place it here only. I'm taking 333, or maybe that is our wish. You can place 10 also, no problem. This is one cluster. Cluster means set of. See, these EC2 instances will communicate with very faster. That is only the advantage. If you go for the placement group with which concept, please refer it. Which concept? Cluster concept. Cluster concept. Very quick, very fast. But what was the problem? If cluster fails, what happens? Quick response, anyone? If cluster fails, all the if cluster fails, all the instances gone. That's why we never go with the cluster concept. Even on industry standard is there. When can you go for cluster concept? If you want to work with very quick, very quick access, very fast access, such type of applications for that purpose only, they can go with cluster concept. Hemant, you got the clarity about cluster concept? We are grouping all the
Yes.
instances in one particular area. This is one of the placement group. What is the second placement group we have seen?
Spread.
Spread. Shall we go for spread concept? Here.
Also.
Here, this is assume one availability zone. Not region I'm talking. Availability zone. This is 1A, this is 1B. Try to understand. This is 1C. This is 1C. See, here 9 are there. I may place 3 here. You are understanding. I may place 3 here. Place 3 here. Now, which fails, we may lose this data. Please observe. Region fails, then only we may lose everything. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Why? One zone fails, there is no problem with another zone. Are you agree with me? See, in one of my room fails, another room may be possible. See, two rooms, two ACs are there. At a time, two ACs will down? No, maybe one may down. I may manage with another AC. One more thing, maybe people may have doubt. This is US East 1A. US East 1A. In 1A, how many EC2 instances are there? Quick response here in the cluster concept. In 1A, I am not writing here. Simply I am writing 1A. 1A. Here is 1B. You know it? 1B. 1B. Here we may go with 1C. Are you understanding? Hemant. This is 1. Which concept this is?
Spread.
Spread concept. 1C. 1C. Is it okay for you? Now what is the third one?
Partition.
Partition. This is cluster. This is spread. Which is the better one? Cluster best one, spread best one. Spread is the, see, this is the high availability. At least are you agree with me? Here is the high availability. High availability. Performance little bit less. Now, the last one is, what is the last one?
Partition.
Partition. See, this is US East 1A. This is the US East 1A only. But in that, we may go with multiple partitions. Within that only partitions are there. Here also partition, here also partition. In each partition, I may provide 333 instances. Are you understanding or not? Within one availability zone, not the region. See, you know the racks concept. You know the rack concept? Got it or not? Racks. See, 4 walls are there. Try to understand. 4 racks I added.
Yes.
All the walls at a time collapse. At least understand. One wall may collapse. Remaining 3 walls may utilize, right? But here, what was the problem here? If zone fails, racks also fails. What is the AWS intention? Zone never fail. Even racks also never fail. Try to utilize my rack concept. Is it okay for you? Everybody understood, right? Good. Now you may ask me, at least I want to see practically little bit. Shall we go for? Good. See, already I am creating which group, maybe one placement group. You tell me which group I may go with, cluster or spread or partition, your wish.
Spread.
Spread. Okay, click on. Here there is no, maybe if you want to work with spread, at least I may create 3 to 4 instances. For your clarity, I may show you cluster at least, cluster groups. There you may able to see that's all, nothing is there. One extra feature you may see. You may not see in depth internally. You need to understanding. How to understand what happened. Now quickly, placement group is created, right? Yes. Now go to instances. Quickly, I'm creating a new instance. There EC2 2. I'm giving EC2 2. For our understanding, I'm taking existing key only. See, existing key. Just now which key I took? EC2, right? Yes. Now here in advanced, where is the advanced? We may able to see, right? In advanced options. In advanced options. Where is the advanced? Here is there. See, in advanced options, somewhere you may see the word placement group. Are you able to see somewhere? Placement. Where is the placement? Create new placement group. Already I created, right?
Yes.
Check it here. You may able to see. Hemant, you got it? See, I am belongs to your group or I am belongs to someone else group. Like that,
Yes,
we
sir.
are specifying. Then we can create it,
Yes,
we
sir.
can select it. Like that, multiple instances, I am connecting. Multiple instances, I am connecting. This is the cluster representation. This is the cluster representation. I am not creating. You know it, right? You know
Yes.
the procedure. I think you understood the procedure.
Yes.
Good. Now again, I am going to EC2. You want to know little bit extra thing regarding, I said, right? I will show you one real time example regarding security pro. Quickly observe. I may go with one real time scenario. There already I created one EC2. You know it, right? What I may do? You tell me I'm install HTTPD or Nginx. Your wish. Anyone can respond. I want to install either HTTPD or Nginx. Even if you tell, even we can install Jenkins also, no problem. Jenkins little bit time taking. These two are very simple. One or two commands we can work with. Anyone can tell me. Shall I go with Nginx or maybe HTTPD?
HTML.
Refresh. Click on connect. Here itself, I said right. I can able to connect or not. Here itself. If you are having console access, no need to go with SSH.
Yes.
Already I told many times. Good. Now you want to install HTTPD, right? You told HTTPD. Are able to see public IP and also private IP.
Yes.
Both will.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now it is saying failed to connect to your EC2 instance, SSH, role establishing connecting to EC2 instance. Okay, we'll check it. What happened? What happened? Now, I think this one only. First of all, you need to enter into security groups. First, EC2 instance. See the security group. Am I added instances? Click on ID. Go to security group. First, to check it. 22 port is published or not. That is our duty.
Yes.
22 is published. This is launch wizard. Yes. Now you check it. Click on here. Morning only I said they will ask in interview.
Yes.
They will ask in interview. Here observe knowingly, unknowingly. Why we got an error? Everybody can respond to me. 22 is
Not.
published or not yet?
Not yes.
That was the problem.
Not, sir.
Yeah. See, very simple, right? We got a problem. I realized directly I am going to check
Security.
in security group. Good. What to configure quick response?
SSH.
SSH. See here, you may see SSH also there, or maybe you may go with custom. Also, no problem. There, anywhere IP4. Good. Again, I am telling in real time, shall I go with anywhere IP4? No. But what to do? That one also I'll give extra clarification. Save rule. After saving, again go to instances. Now, very easiest way, it may connect or not, you may check. Click on connect. Now guide me what to do. Simply connect only, right?
Yes.
Yes. See, without any problem, it may establish a connection. Even I said, sometimes even though security group is there, what about SSH is there? Sometimes it may not connect based on the error. We may realize that.
Yes.
Now ls-ltr. Now sudo -i, sudo-i, again ls-ltr. Now good. Now I want to, which one I want to install? yum install httpd -y. See, once it got installed, I want to know really it got installed or not.
Yes.
Already I said somewhere one command. Anyone can guide me that command? I want to check. I want to know. See, I use somewhere RPM. Are you remembering? RPM -aq. What is the thing? HTTP. Check it. What it is saying? RPM is Red Hat Package Manager. C, A means within the all. What I am, Q means query. What I am querying. Just like a grep. Just like a grep. But this is the application. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
You want to identify, you need to go with, even you may go for up arrow. There I am removing, down arrow. Where is that? Now enter. See, these are the installed list. These are the installed list. Shall I go for one by one checking or simply go for specific naming convention?
Yes, please.
Specific naming convention. Understood or not? This is the very, very important command. Very, very important command. You want to remove this. Simply MREMOV remove. What is the name of that? STTPD. This one also you need to remember. Is it removing or not? These are the regularly using commands. Now again what I am doing? I am going to install. I am going to install. See M install. There hyphen Y. Y means don't ask me prompting. Don't prompt me. You do your duty. Now systemctl status. What you want to do? Status. There stdpd. STATS.
Spelling mistake.
Spelling mistake. Which means where
Status.
STA
ST.
STATUS S is missing.
Yes.
Good. And see, it is in which state? Quick observation, Subbu. You talk to me.
Inactive.
Inactive. Inactive means
Inactive.
dead state. See, before going to do, you must enable it. This is the interview question. Why do we go for the enable feature? Why do we go for the enable feature? ENA, enable feature. See, it may enable. See, second time if you restart your EC2 instance, automatically it will start. That is the meaning of enable. See, enable means auto start. At least you may remember. Very easy to answer in maybe interviewer, right?
Yes.
Enable means whenever if you restart your instance, automatically our application will start. That purpose we are going to enable it. See, after enabling, what will you do? You are going to start your HTTPD. After starting, you may see the status. You may see the status. Now it is an up and running, right? How can you know up and running? Active,
Start.
active, running.
Yes.
Got it or not?
Yes.
Okay. We want to see the output on the screen. See here public IP is there. Quick observation. Copy this public IP. Public IP. There copy it. Paste it. Paste it. See, I am providing this public IP for you. You check it in your systems. 100% will work. You check it. I am providing on the class chart. Class chart. You may check it. Is it working or not? Tell me first. Everybody, you may see the output. It works at least. Are you able to see the output? It works or not? Tell me first.
No, sir.
No?
No.
I got it, sir. It works.
This
Oh, you got it. Why I think Hemant is getting problem? Hemant, you go for cognito window, incognito window. At least you may check it. Even I am pasting on the incognito window. There
No,
I am
sir.
going to. You are not getting? I'll check it.
Yes, sir.
No,
It
sir.
was.
It's showing that it doesn't support the secure connection with
Yeah. And there I am. That's what I am. Click on here. See why you may not see here. Continue to cite. Are you understanding or not? See on my screen. Shall I go with continue to cite?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Am I getting or not? For you. If not getting, share your screen. At least I may guide you. Even still not getting the output?
It's only working incognito windows. Sir.
Yeah, wherever it is, my request is it working or not?
Yes.
Whatever
Yes, sir,
the
it's
way.
working.
Good. I think for Hemant. For Hemant.
Sir, it's working, sir.
Yeah, very good. What about Monica?
Yes, sir, it's working.
Good. Now, see, if I give like this is not the good way. This is the bad way. We never give we never give IP to others. Why I'm telling, Windows key or everybody try Windows key or CMD. See, you may know NS lookup, namespace lookup, google.com, google.com. You know this procedure.
Yes, sir.
See, if I type here google.com, I may get Google web page. Are you agree with me? Even if I add IP address, see, I'm able to see IP address here.
Yes.
Google, I may go with 192.160. This one Google assume. Even here also you may see Google, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope this one I am taking. Don't worry. Now copy it. There I am going to take new tab, try to observe here. Control it. Google never give IP to you. Are you agree with me at least?
Yes.
Google will give what? Domain name. Google give what?
No.
Domain. Is it opening or not? Why Google will not give IP address? Why Google is giving domain name? Anyone can talk to me 10 seconds. According to your view.
So security purpose.
Very simple answer. IP will change at any time. IPs are ephemeral. Hemant, you got it? Subbu? IPs are ephemeral means
Yes, sir.
it may change. See, here I given static IP. Really they may give or not, don't bother. Maybe possible, right? If I stop and start, IP will change. Again, I may not provide for you, right? For domain is good, right? Now I am going to domain format. Shall I go for domain format? Quickly. See, if you want to work with the domain nature, then I am going to here, click on to here. Now observe carefully. Today I am not explaining, but try to understand. What I am going to click on first here, please observe. Target groups. This is also maybe tomorrow concept, but don't worry, just understand. Maybe half of the knowledge only you will get. Tomorrow you will get 100% knowledge. But anyway, I'll explain. Create target group. See, just now one instance is available with us or not? Yes, good. Now we are working with HTTPD, with HTTP and 80 port publishing.
Yes.
Are you agree with me?
Yes.
That's what I am telling. Only half of the knowledge only you will get. I am not touching anything. There I am giving index.html. See, our web application is running index.html. That is the HTTPD, index.html. Whether you give or not, it will work. But this is the industry standard I am following. Click on next. See, I think it is asking
Target group name.
TG1, target group 1, target group. Till now I am creating target group. But in reality, multiple EC2 instances I am creating like a target. Just now you have seen cluster, right?
Yes.
Similar way. But I am taking how many instances? Only one. With which port? 80. Everybody understand. Click on create target. It is expecting security group. Which security group here is added? Launch wizard one. That one only we use it here.
Yes.
See, wait for a while. You may able to see healthy instances may be one. Why healthy instances may be one? For our target, we added how many instances? One instance. Suppose if I add 10 instances, I must able to see 10 instances should be healthy. Maybe wait for a while, you may able to see this. Now, just now, you may get it. You may get it here. See, unused. Till now I didn't use. I created one target. How can I use? Going to load balance. Going to load balancer. See, create a load balancer. Create a load balancer. Again, I told we will discuss these things later. But anyway, we are going to work with application load balance. See, when you go for application load balancer, any application belongs to either HTTP or HTTPS. Such applications, you must use which load balancer? That means application load balancer. Is it simple answer, right?
Yes.
To work with either HTTP or HTTP. You may ask me, see, I don't know. How can I know? If you want to work with NGINX, that is the application server. If you want to work with HTTPD, that is the application server. All application server must work with either HTTP or HTTPS. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Good to go?
Yes.
Simply click on create. Now the name of the load balancer, simply ALB. ALB. Here I am giving very simple thing, internet facing. I want to give external access. You must go with internet facing. You want to work with internal in AWS only. You should go with internal. Because my web application, anybody wants to access throughout the world. At that time, you go for internet facing. Now leave these options as it is, go with. But see, we are going to work with load balancer, right?
Yes.
Load balancer. See, where it may create, we don't know. Load balancer may create maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. That's what we need to select all the availability zones. All the availability zones. Now good to go. See, security group. Reality, which is our security group? Quick response. Security group name is what? What is our security group name? Launch Wizard. See, Launch Wizard 1 is our default security group. Shall I click on here?
Yes, sir.
But in reality, we never go with Launch Wizard 1, but I'll tell you maybe the differences. First, try to understand. See, Launch Wizard 1 I am taking. Again, HTTP 80. Somewhere I create a target group, right?
Yes.
Are you able to see here?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am asking a question. Load balancer using target group or target group using load balancer?
Load balancer using
Load balancer using target group. This means load balancer is able to communicate with the targets. I'll show you one diagram. Then again, I'll come to here. See, this is the user. User 1, user 2, end users. You may think users. These three users, in general, according to our general scenario, all these three are going to communicate with EC2. This is the general scenario as a learning scenario. But according to real-time scenario, they're never going to connect with EC2. They will go and connect with one middleman. That person name is load balancer. Got it?
Yes.
See, I'm using one technical term. How many people know? I don't know. A reverse proxy. Load balancer name is nothing but reverse proxy. Try to understand. The name of the load balancer, technical word is reverse proxy. Maybe very simple word is load balancer. Or it may be four names are there. Maybe ALB, maybe NLB, maybe CLB, maybe GLB. First, I'm giving the name. Application load balancer, network load balancer, classic load balancer, gateway load balancer. But 99.9% industry uses application load balancer only. Remaining things we'll discuss. See, user is requesting some request. Who is taking that request? Load balancer is taking. After taking the load balancer first will go and check the health check of the EC2 instance. I hope somewhere we have seen health, right?
Yes.
Is it, are you agree with me? What it is checking load balancer duty is what? Checking the health check of the EC2 instance. This is very, very important thing. Health check of the EC2 instance. HEL, health check. If health is good, it is redirecting to EC2. Suppose, why I am telling target group? This is one EC2. This is one more EC2. Like the three EC2s are there. Assumption I am taking. These three belongs to one target. These three belongs to one target. What is the advantage of these three belongs to one target? In these three, which is three are working properly. See, second request came. This is the request. This request may be given to him, may be given to this, may be given to this. Everybody understood or not?
Yes.
What is the advantage? If wherever load is less, our load balancer will check. If it is having more load, it is giving redirecting to here less load. You may go and contact him. Why should you wait for him?
Yes.
See, even banks also, clerk 1 available, 10 people on the queue. If more than 10 came, bank manager will insist, hey, another clerk, go and open second counter. Why you give burden to our clients? Is it okay for you? You need to share. You need to share. I think Hemant, is it clear or not? Now till now what I did, I created load balancer, I created target group. Now what is the simple duty? End user wants to access, wants to communicate with load balancer. Till now, is it able to communicate or not? I am showing. Now I am selected target group. Simply what I am doing here, that I am creating load balancer. Load balancer will provide one nasty URL. Maybe I may show you. That is the DNS record. What it will provide? DNS record. Quickly observe. It is provisioning or not? See, provisioning. Observe in my screen.
Yes, sir.
Are able to see provisioning. What it is doing? Load balancer is going to interact with the target group. Everything it will check. Everything is fine or not. See, simply establishing connection between our load balancer and target group. Those things will happen internally. This is very powerful concept. This is very wonderful concept. Maybe today and tomorrow we may work with these things only. See, in EC2, every area I touched or not. Quick observation once again.
Yes,
In
sir.
EC2, left hand side, I am touching on every option. I am not leaving in single option also. Now, once it is provisioning, after provisioning only we can work with. That's what I am waiting.
Refresh it.
Successfully, it is showing created. There we may able to see at the bottom, see DNS name.
Yes, sir.
This is the A record. This is also story is there. What is the meaning of A record? Try to remember. I am giving clue for you. A record means IPv4 address. 4A. A is there, 4A is there. Again, I'll show you, but I am coming to maybe it is creating, right? Quickly, we are going to here, maybe here. There, control N, control N. This is capital A, first I am taking. Second record is 4A record. Third A is C name record. NS record. Got it or not? A means what I said. This is the interview question once again. A means IPv4. Anyone can guess it. 4A represents, if you know it, IPv6.
6. Yes, sir.
IPv6. Now, C name. Can you guess it? C name represents
Customer.
canonical. Spelling correct or not? Observe. Canonical name. Canonical name is nothing but alias. Alias name for an existing domain. Very simple example I am giving. Facebook.com. Facebook.com. You know,
Yeah.
they're FB.com. Both are same or not? See, which is domain name Facebook.com, which is canonical name FB.com. Everybody understood or not?
Yes, sir.
See, Microsoft.com, Hotmail.com, both are same only. There is no difference. NS means, anyone can guess it? NS means name server. Name server. SOA is there. SOA is the technical term. Start of authority. AUTHORITY. Start of authority. Okay. Now I am coming to here where I am in this. Now observe carefully. I am copy and paste. You may able to see the output. Application output. You may wait. Is it working or not? This one I am providing for you. Quickly observe it and try to talk with it. Now where is our chat window? Here I am pasting. Control V it. Now everybody refer it. Is it working or not? Check it. At least I need to get 2 to 3 responses. Is it working or not?
Yes, of course.
It works, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, even I am telling this is also industry. This is also not an industry standard. What it is in See, A record is created. We never give this A record to anyone because of this the nasty URL. Something extra things are there, right? No one can remember this name. Not an easy to remember. Not an easy to remember. See, which is very easiest. Now observe carefully that I'm going to my here. I'm selecting right click, go to duplicate tab. There I'm typing Route 53. This is the new service, Route 53. Are you able to see Route 53?
Yes.
Yes. Within the Route 53, see, I purchased one domain. Oh, this is a new account, right? Okay, no problem. I may make use of, yeah, this is very new account. Very new account. I need to configure these things. I think here may not work. Oh, a little problem I am facing. Little problem I am facing. See, yesterday I configured with, I think your account. I think this is Subbu account. Maybe anyway, I am doing in front of you. It today you may not able to see the output because of it may take time, or else yeah, I may try in front of you. Get started. See, register domain is there. Register domain is there, or simply you go for see hosted zones. You may click on hosted zones. See, create hosted zone. There example.com. What is my domain name? Online class dot shop shop. This is my domain name. Yesterday I purchased. What will you do? Click on here, public hosted zone, public hosted zone. Click on create hosted zone. At least you may see. Tomorrow I'll show you the output because of it may take nearly half an hour to configure everything. We may configure, but it will take time for everything. Now observe carefully. Now observe carefully. Now click on or else close this. You may able to see NS. What it is the name server. Maybe 2 minutes back you have seen NS and SOA. SOA. See if you observe here how many name servers are there. These name servers, these 4 name servers, you need to configure within GoDaddy because of domain name I purchased from GoDaddy. Okay. Once you configure this, then only we can able to work with. Today I'm not configuring. Today after the class only I can configure. Okay, good. So suppose assume we configured. We are assuming we configured. I may try in that way. I may try in that way. What it may happen, we may see. Now what I may do? Create a record. See, what is the domain name observation here? Online class.shop only, right? Or agree with me? I am not adding anything. Simply click on alias. There, choose endpoint where I created. What is the load balancer I use? Observe here. Which load balancer I use?
ALB.
Application and classic. Both are same only. Now choose region. Which region I created? US East 1. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
My EC2 instance where it is running?
Yes.
US East 1. My load balancer where it is running? US East 1. Now see, are you able to see the load balancer? Same thing. Are you observing? This one only I provided for you. Even you check it. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Now click on
Yes, sir.
create record. Record is created. Once record is creating, it is trying for create. Records for was successfully created. It is telling like that. But these name servers are different, right? We may not able to see the output. Anyway, I am trying in front of. Now, which record is created here? Observe. You may able to see this is the A record. Select it. This is the my domain name. I am providing. First, I am checking. According to my view, it never work. Why? Name servers not configured in GoDaddy. Now Control V. There enter. Till now not configured. This is different. Yesterday I created different one. That's why you are getting output. Hemant, in your account, welcome. Nginx is that. That's why you are able to see Nginx. I configured for
Yes, sir.
Nginx. Even you may try, you may able to see. Even everybody try. Online class.shop, you may able to see the output. That is the, or it is working or not, check it and tell me. Because of it is in cache memory or not, I don't know. Or else I may go for cognito window. Incognito, I may check it. Control V. Yeah, this
No,
is the
sir,
right
it is.
answer. No, if now if you are not getting means right, because of I configured with different account, right? And even yesterday I deleted in your account also. Why you are getting output means that is in cache. That is in cache. See, after the class, what I may do? I may reconfigure it. I may show you. This is the today. What you need to remember? Oh, online class dot shop. If you give it, you may able to see which one it works. It works. This is the general procedure. But here, so many loopholes are there. These loopholes tomorrow morning in front of you, I'll show you. I may get a problem. How to rectify those problems? Okay, in trial and error basis, I may show you in
Okay, sir.
front of you. Okay. Oh, overview I can give once again. Windows PR, MS Paint once again. What is the overview? See, assume three instances are there. Quick assumption I am taking. These three instances I am grouping, I am calling as a target group. Or agree with me? At least this is the target. See, end user here is there. Here is the end user. End user, our intention is what? He never talked to whom? He never talked to instances. What was the problem? He may talk to him. He may talk to him. He may talk to whom? How many IPs are there? Three different IPs. I don't want to give IP access. I want to give a record access, DNS record. Who will generate DNS record? Quick answer. Who will generate DNS record? This one will generate. What is this name? This is the load balancer. What is load balancer? Is a web service. This is the ALB, application load balancer. See, any end user going to talk with load balancer. Load balancer only will go and talk with anyone EC2 instance. Anyone EC2 instance. Now once again I am explaining up to load balancer knows all the IPs. Load balancer knows all the IPs. But who doesn't know all the IPs? He knows load balancer URL, or he knows only domain name. Please respond. Domain name. See, this domain name who provide? Route 53. Are you agree with me? Route 53. This domain name who provide? Route 53 will provide. This nasty URL who provides? ALB. This ALB record where I configured within the Route 53. This IP addresses where I configured within the ALB. Got it or not? I hope. Theoretically clear or not? Please respond. I given high level overview. Whatever you understood today class. Is it okay for you? Anyone facing any difficulty?
No, sir.
Good. Now I need to remove everything. Tomorrow class again I need to start from the scratch by. See, for everything we need to pay the bill. Got it? That's why we need to remove it. Again we need to restart from the scratch. Okay, Monica, you got the clarity? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. I'm winding the session. పెద్ద కాన్సెప్ట్ లో ఉంది సార్